Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start on the video page. Make sure you are signed in if you prefer personalized settings. Once on the player, move your mouse or tap to reveal controls. This is where the captions toggle lives. For desktop, look for the CC button near play and volume. For mobile, tap the three dots or the gear icon. You begin by locating those player controls because turning captions off is a direct toggle, no account settings required for immediate changes. Once you open the Captions menu, you will see languages and an off option. Choose off to disable captions immediately. If you see an auto-generated label, select the auto option and then turn it off. This prevents generated text from overlaying the video. On mobile, use the three-dot menu to reach subtitles. On desktop, the gear icon gives the same control. Make sure to confirm the player reflects no CC icon. This visual cue tells you captions are disabled. To finish, confirm the CC icon is gone and play the video to check. If captions still appear, refresh the page and try again. If the problem persists, clear your browser cache or update the YouTube app. Sometimes stale data keeps old settings. Also inspect browser extensions or device accessibility features, because an extension or system caption option can force subtitles. If none of that works, sign out and back in, then reapply off. This often resets persistent settings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.